Welcome to this essential guide for aspiring notaries. Today, we'll cover the appointment and qualification requirements to become a notary public in California. To qualify, you must be a legal resident of California and at least 18 years of age. Additionally, you need to satisfactorily complete a course of study approved by the Secretary of State. You must also pass a written examination prescribed by the Secretary of State and successfully clear a background check. To determine if you meet the responsibilities of the position, a completed application and a 2-inch by 2-inch color passport photograph must be submitted at the examination site. These documents are then forwarded to the Secretary of State's office for review by staff for qualifying information. To verify identity and check for disqualifying crimes, all notary applicants are required to be fingerprinted as part of a thorough background check. Information regarding fingerprinting requirements will be mailed to applicants who successfully pass the examination. Notary applicants must disclose all arrests with pending trials and all convictions, even those that have been dismissed, on their applications. If you have questions about disclosing convictions or arrests, contact the Secretary of State's office before signing your application. For specifics about your arrest or conviction history, you can contact the California Department of Justice. The Secretary of State may deny an application for several reasons, including failure to disclose any conviction, a felony conviction, or a conviction of a disqualifying lesser offense. Notary applicants have the right to appeal any denial through the administrative hearing process. Refer to the Secretary of State's Notary Public Disciplinary Guidelines for a list of common disqualifying convictions, available on their website or by mail. All persons are required to take and satisfactorily complete a 6-hour course of study approved by the Secretary of State before appointment as a notary public. This initial 6-hour course is mandatory for all, regardless of how many commission terms they've held in the past. A notary public with a current California commission and who has completed an approved 6-hour course at least once needs a 3-hour refresher course for reappointment. This 3-hour refresher course is only valid if the notary public applies for a new commission before their current one expires. If a notary public's commission has expired, they must complete a 6-hour notary public education course again to receive a new commission, even if they previously completed an approved 6-hour course. The Secretary of State reviews and approves all courses of study, ensuring they cover the material needed to pass the written examination. A list of approved notary education vendors is available on the Secretary of State's website or can be mailed upon request. Once your commission is issued, you have 30 calendar days to take, subscribe, and file an oath of office and a $15,000 surety bond with the county clerk's office. Your commission does not take effect until both the oath and bond are properly filed. These documents must be filed in the county where your principal place of business is located, as shown on your application. Failure to file the oath and bond within the 30 calendar day period will invalidate your commission, preventing you from acting as a notary public. Government code allows filing completed oaths and bonds by certified mail or other physical delivery methods that provide a receipt. If mailing, ensure sufficient time for timely filing, as no exceptions are made for mail service or processing delays. California law mandates every notary public to file an official bond in the amount of $15,000. This bond is not an insurance policy for the notary public. It's a limited source of funds for claims against the notary public. The notary public remains personally liable for any damages sustained and may be required to reimburse the bonding company for sums paid due to misconduct or negligence. A notary public can provide notarial services throughout the entire state of California, not just in the county where their oath and bond are filed. Most notarial certificates include a venue heading like State of California, County of __________. The county named in this heading is where the signer personally appeared before the notary public. California notaries are strictly prohibited from performing duties that constitute the practice of law. This includes preparing, drafting, or selecting legal documents or providing advice on legal matters. If asked to perform such tasks, a California notary public should decline and refer the requester to an attorney. Each notary public is required to have and use a seal, which must be kept in a locked and secured area under their direct and exclusive control. The seal must not be surrendered to an employer upon termination of employment, regardless of who paid for it or to any other person. Due to the legal requirement for photographic reproducibility, the rubber stamp seal is almost universally used. However, notaries may also use an embosser seal in addition to the rubber stamp. Understanding these requirements is crucial for a successful notary career. Good luck with your exam preparation.